Seasons, they come and go. Change is constant and relentless. That's why everyone needs a safe haven, a home to keep them safe. But who guards these homes?
We do. Hi, we are AkzoNobel, headquartered in Amsterdam, Netherlands. AkzoNobel NV is a Fortune 500 company with a footprint spanning over 80 countries and 47,000 people around the world committed to excellence. For over 60 years, our brand Dulux has introduced cutting-edge, technologically advanced products in the Indian paint industry. Around 1,900 dedicated employees work in 4 production facilities, a state-of-the-art research lab, and 75 warehouses across India to provide a wide range of products and services. A network of 10,000 retailers ensure that our products are available right next to you. Every Dulux professional employee like me holds vast experience in painting residential societies lasting over a decade, with lakhs of satisfied customers vouching for it. And that's not all. No added lead, mercury or chromium compounds reinforces our commitment towards you and your loved one's health. But you don't have to take my word for it. Let's ask someone who's experienced the Dulux advantage firsthand. Good afternoon, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm fine, thank you.
Sir, would you like to share your Dulux advantage experience with us?
Sure. Hello, I'm Suresh Kumar. I stay in a well-known residential society. 2 years back, our committee decided to get the society repainted. हमें एक ऐसी कंपनी चाहिए थी जो हमारी प्रॉब्लम को समझे, हमें इन्वॉल्व करे और हमें एक वर्ल्ड क्लास सॉल्यूशन दे। तभी मुझे ड्यूलक्स प्रोफेशनल का पता चला। I thought, why not give them a try? So I recommended them to my committee. When we called Dulux Professional, they immediately assigned us a project sales officer, and he met us the very next day. The project sales officer understood our problems and answered all our queries in detail.
Let me brief you about the steps we follow. Step 1. The first step is to undertake a site inspection to understand and identify all the problem areas on the building surface. Dulux technical officer inspects the site personally, makes a report and shares his recommendations with the society. Parallelly, a photo of the building is taken and sent across to Dulux Advanced Digital Center to develop a preview which helps the committee visualize their building post-painting in the shades shortlisted. Step 2. Based on the Dulux technical officer's recommendation, a best-in-class application system is recommended. During this discussion, Dulux helps the society in choosing the right solution as per the site's requirement. Step 3. Post finalizing the order, the actual job starts. With surface preparation and then the actual painting, all under Dulux Professional's time-tested site management process.
But some of us had a concern. क्या ये हमारा काम टाइम पे पूरा कर सकेंगे?
यही तो है साइट मैनेजमेंट प्रोसेस का एडवांटेज। स्मूथ ऑपरेशन, बेस्ट क्वालिटी जॉब एंड टाइमली कंप्लीशन।
और साथ में एक प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड जिससे मटेरियल कंजम्पशन पर कंप्लीट ट्रैक रखा जा सके, जिससे क्वालिटी भी बनी रहे और खर्चों पर भी चेक रहे। हाँ, तो पेंटिंग के क्या-क्या स्टेजेस बताए थे आपने?
6 stages, sir. 1. Pre-inspection and scoping. 2. Preview and sampling to ensure correct shades are chosen. 3. Recommendation and finalization of system solution. 4. Beginning of work, surface preparation and crack filling. 5. Priming. And 6. Application of top coats.
हर स्टेप पे हमारे अप्रूवल से सारा प्रोजेक्ट आसानी से हो गया। नो बैक एंड फोर्थ, नो डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ वर्क, नो वेस्टेज ऑफ टाइम और मनी। जस्ट सिंपल वन स्टॉप सॉल्यूशन फॉर ऑल आवर कंसर्न्स। Now 2 years have passed, but the look of our society remains as perfect as it was on day one. Thanks to Dulux Professional.
Thank you, sir. We believe in creating outstanding societies. Ever wondered why buildings in Amsterdam, Paris, London, Singapore, and other cities worldwide look so amazing? That's because most of them are painted with Dulux. Make your society look world class with Dulux.